The first way to become an entrepreneur in 2020 is first to solve a problem. And the most important skill of entrepreneurs is the skill of finding problems and generating solutions to those problems. So that is the number one skill you need. If I was to end this video right here, I'll be done. I will simply tell you, in order for you to become an entrepreneur, have an eye for seeing problems and developing solutions to those problems. That's all you need. And in finding problems, you simply find opportunities. You have to think of ways to solve those problems. As you think of ways to solve those problems in order to improve not only your life but also the lives of other people, you will be able to find a business opportunity, and for that matter you can create a product and be able to market it, a product or a service that solves that particular problem. And for sure you can become an entrepreneur in 2020 by simply having an eye of looking out for problems, not looking out for problems to criticize, but looking out for problems in order to create solutions to those problems. So ensure you learn to look out for problems and to solve problems. That is number one way to become an entrepreneur in 2020 and beyond. Need not to give up. One of the vital skills shared by successful entrepreneurs is their ability to remain in the game for the long term, is their ability to outlast their troubles and remain focused on their goals and on their dreams. So you don't have to give up in life, because the most important thing is to keep moving. Even if you fail, you need to get up and start where you left. Whatever you do, you need to keep moving. Whether you are crawling, whether you are walking, whether you are running, or whether you are flying, you need to keep moving. If you find yourself on the ground and you can't get up on your feet, you need to crawl. Keep moving. If you can find yourself on your feet but you can't run, walk. Keep walking. If you are on your feet and you can go beyond walking, meaning you can run, then run. If you find yourself on your wings, or you have some type of wings and you can do more than running, then fly. Whatever you do, keep moving. Do not give up. In entrepreneurship, you'll definitely be hit by different things coming up. Some of them you'll have planned about them, some of them will come as a surprise, and most of them will come as a surprise. So you need to be prepared, and you need to be prepared to keep moving irregardless of what happens. You need to keep moving. That is the most important thing. You do not give up. The moment you give up, you become a failure. You have lost it. But as long as you've not given up, all you gather along is simply lessons, and lessons breed experience, and experience is all you need to be a successful entrepreneur. That's it for this video, guys. How to become an entrepreneur in 2020 and beyond. If you got massive value from this video, please hit that thumbs up, like this video, and most importantly, share with your friends on different social media platforms: Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, LinkedIn, TikTok, Pinterest, and much more. Simply share with people so that they can also gain massive value from the videos that are produced here at LifeVersity. And most importantly, if this is the first time here and you haven't smashed the subscribe button, please do it right here, right now, and turn on the notification bell in order for you to be notified whenever I put out a new video. Special gratitude to you guys. Have been able to hit 1,000 subscribers in less than 3 months. This is because of you guys. You are absolutely amazing, guys. Keep the fire burning. I promise I won't let you down. Every video I produce will have massive value behind it, so ensure you help in supporting. But to be part of this winning team, you need to share the videos. Encourage your friends to subscribe. Please encourage them to subscribe, and I won't let you down. See you again in the next video, guys. May God bless you. I love you.